In this video, we are going to see how we can receive the customer payment in full and settle their complete account. As we can see here in this transaction on 7th of January, it says Mr. Victor paid all previous balance by giving us cash. 65,000 was its total balance. Let me just scroll up and check the total balance of Mr. Victor. As you can see here at the opening position, customer details, it is mentioned that Victor has the pending balance of 65,000 that we need to receive, and now he's being generous and clearing all the balance altogether. So that's great. Let's see how we can deal with this in Teleprime. So from the gateway of Tele, I'll just go to the vouchers and click on receipts. All the dates I'll keep it to 31st of January because the Teleprime only allows 1st and 2nd and 31st January or 1st, 2nd and 31st of each month in the educational version. Rest all the functions are enabled, but the date restriction is there. So I prefer to keep all the transactions to 31st of January just to make it simple. And we are receiving the cash. Make sure you are on the receipt voucher. If not, you can switch it from here. And we are receiving the amount from Mr. Victor. So let's write Victor here. As soon as we hit enter, he's clearing all the balance. So even if it is not mentioned here, we can see the current balance here and he is paying us all the amount. Hit enter. Now it's asking you to select the method of adjustment. Let's select on account, but let me just explain you the other functions as well. The advance means if you have received anything in advance, any cash in advance from the customer against the future services that you will provide or the future items that you will sell, and you're receiving advance, you will choose this one. Against reference means if you're receiving the payment against a specific bill, you will choose against reference. New reference means that you are receiving the payment, but you forgot to enter the bill at the starting, or the invoice is created right at the point when the payment is received. So that's why you can select new reference on that thing. On account means any kind of previous pending balance, not specific to a particular bill or invoice, but all together. So if the customer is clearing the amount all together and not against a specific invoice, we will choose on account. And since this is an opening balance, we will choose on account because this is settled in total. Hit enter. Just go to the narration and we will just copy and paste this narration right here. Press Ctrl A to save, and that's how we can save it. If you want to see all the transactions until now, just go to the gateway of Tele by pressing escape, go to display more reports, and from here we will check the day book and we can see and locate our transaction right here. So that's how we can deal with the receipts of customer payments. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.